Hello and welcome to the first lecture of this new section on Aravind Case Analysis. In this course, Excellence in Management Case Analysis. So in this section, we will help you learn about management through detailed Aravind Case Analysis. And in this lecture, we will give you the case to analyze, right? So let's take a look at the case to analyze. So this is the Aravind case, Aravind Eye Care Systems, and this is a company that is established in the south of India, and it's been restoring eyesight to millions, especially for poor and needy. Is the world's largest eye care provider and conducts over 500,000 surgeries every year. And more details you can see in the pages that you see here. That's the first page. Then you have a second page of information, then you have third, then you have fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So these are the 7 pages. While the pages look quite numerous, but the content is not that very dense as you would have seen in case of Google. So take a look at this pages of this case, read them thoroughly, and then get ready to analyze this case. Now, what are the kind of analysis that you need to do? So again, there are 6, 7, 8 questions that you need to answer. The first question, obviously, is to answer is what is Arvind's operations strategy? This time it is about operations. How do they operate? Their manufacturing, their processes. And what are the key components of Arvind's operation strategy? That is the first question that you need to prepare for and compare in the next lecture. Second, that you need to see is how are these components related to core management theories? What are the core management theories and how do you relate them to uh, this case to them? Third, we'll have to then analyze and see so far how effective has been operations strategy of Arvind been and why. That's the third question to answer. Fourth one would be how does Arvind's operation strategy compare and contrast to the current business trends and technology? So there you would need to predict to guess what are the current business trends and technology and where does Arvind stand in terms of its strategies versus these trends and technology. The fifth would be you need to see what part of strategy of Arvind in operations that still works and what needs to be adjusted for future and how. So that's the fifth question that you need to answer. The sixth question would be then to answer, you would need to then answer what are the lessons learned from this Arvind's case. So these are the 6 core questions that you need to answer as we go forward. So ready? So what do we do next? So go ahead, read the case, prepare the first question, and that is what is Arvind's operation strategy and what are the key components? And once you are ready with that, let's come back and take a look at that in the next lecture and compare and contrast your answers with mine. So thank you so much for watching this first case analysis of Arvind operation strategy in this course, analysis of management case analysis. I hope you continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture after your analysis. And if you have any questions, do feel free to message me. And please do download the PDF file and read the case thoroughly.